Hello guys, this is Brandon Vacuums, and today I'm going to be back in my living room floor with my Bissell Powerforce Compact. I know I haven't been uploading in a while, so I figured I'd upload a video today for you guys. I'll be back in my living room floor here, so let's go right ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and unravel the cord here for you guys. And back in the living room floor. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys how much dirt we picked up at the end of the video. Let's plug this machine in here. I got this vacuum like a week and a half ago from like the local thrift store for like $7. It's a really great deal. And I feel like this Powerforce like compact is like kind of rare, honestly. A little rare, a little bit hard to find in decent condition. So let's go right ahead and send the cord up here so it's out of the way of me. Can clip it onto there, and let's go ahead and back in the lower floor. All right, put the top of this in there, and let's go right ahead. Malfunction there. Up here, and as you guys can see, the whole I have the bins for already. That's crazy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.